phase of Lok Sabha elections will begin on 7th of May, that is tomorrow. First two phases were over last month with a voter turnout of over 60% each. Third phase will have total of 94 seats, which means 94 constituencies will go for polling in 10 states and 2 union territories. Major states include Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Gujarat, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. 1,351 candidates across 94 seats will be contesting in the third phase. Now let's look at some key candidates. First is Union Minister Amit Shah from Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Home Minister Shah will be seeking his second term in Gandhinagar, which is considered as one of the most prestigious seats for the party. Shah stands against Congress's Sonal Patel in this election. He registered a massive win in 2019 after defeating CJ Chavda with a victory margin of 5.55 lakh votes. Second is Jyotiraditya Scindia, who will be contesting from Guna in Madhya Pradesh. He is the Civil Aviation Minister currently. In 2019 polls, he lost the seat while he was contesting on a Congress ticket against BJP's Krishna Pal Singh. This year, he is contesting with a BJP ticket against Congress's Yadavendra Rao Deshraj Singh. Number 4 is Supriya Sule from Baramati in Maharashtra. The Pawar family has a strong hold on the constituency. Supriya Sule is the daughter of Sharad Pawar. She will be up against Sunetra Pawar, who is the wife of Ajit Pawar, who has now switched to BJP-led NDA. Sule won the 2019 Lok Sabha seat with 52.63% vote share when she was against BJP's Kanchan Rahul Kul. Now this is one of the most watched seats because both of these candidates are key this time. Number 5 is Shivraj Singh Chauhan from Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. A 5-time MP and the longest serving CM of Madhya Pradesh, Chauhan is pitted against Congress's Pratap Bhanu Sharma. Number 6 is Digvijay Singh from Rajgarh in Madhya Pradesh. With a Congress ticket, Singh is making a return to electoral race from the constituency, which is touted as a hot seat. It is also termed as his last election. He will be contesting against 2-time BJP MP Rodmal Nagar. Number 7 is Prahlad Joshi from Dharwad in Karnataka. Joshi is seeking re-election from the constituency and has been winning the seat since 2004. This time he is standing against Vinod Asuti of Congress. Number 8 is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary from Bharampur in West Bengal. He is a senior Congress leader and has been representing the party for the last 3 terms from the constituency. In 2019, he defeated Apurva Sarkar of TMC by over 80,000 votes. This time he is up against BJP's Nirmal Saha and TMC's Yusuf Pathan. Number 9 is Shripad Naik, BJP candidate from North Goa. He is a 5-time MP contesting his 7th parliamentary election for a 6th term. He is pitted against Congress's Ramakant Khalap. Number 10 is B.Y. Raghavendra from Shivamogga in Karnataka. He is a BJP candidate against Congress's Geeta Shivakumar. He is the son of former CM of Karnataka B.S. Yediyurappa. In 2019 polls and 2018 by-elections, he defeated Geeta's brother Madhu Bangarappa, who is now a minister in Congress-led government of Karnataka. For more such updates on key events happening in India and abroad, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.